to Melody's Treasure Box. Hi, Treasure Box twins. Are you ready to open some Squishies?
Yeah, I'm ready. Are you guys ready? Because we have Jumbo Squish-Dee-Lish, we have Squish-Dee-Lish Wacky 1, and we have Disney Tsum Tsum Squish-Dee-Lish Series 1, and we even have an exclusive ToysRUs Giant Squish-Dee-Lish.
I like all of these ones. This one and this one, this one, and every of them.
Well, I'm excited to open them up. Let's get started, Melody.
Yay!
We're so excited for all these different varieties of Squish-Dee-Lish.
Yeah.
Yay!
Can't wait.
So which one do you want to open first, Melody?
This one.
Ooh,
Oh, the wacky
one. This
ones?
is not Series 1, but Wacky 1.
Look at how gross and silly they are. Eee. Which one do you want to collect, Melody?
I want to select all of them.
Okay, well, we have 3 for now.
Yeah. Ready?
Ready, set.
1, 2, 3. What did you get, Melody?
Ooh, what did you get?
Oh, we got the gross sock. But it actually smells good.
Interesting,
I
yeah.
wish my socks smelled like that after I used them.
Can I see?
Yeah.
Melody seems to like it. So Melody got this gross sock. It looks very much like the picture. Oh my gosh, there's a spider on the top, on the side, a spider web. It has like little fangs, a patch. Yucky.
Melody. Yucky.
These are fun though.
That is the best dirty sock I've ever had.
Yeah.
Smelly.
And I got this shark with a red and white inner tube on. And he actually looks kind of friendly.
And he's not even dirty.
Yeah, there's nothing wrong with him.
Yeah, he's
Why?
actually just cool. Maybe it's because he's a scary shark.
Yeah. And we'll leave the third one to open on Instagram, so check us out at Melody's Treasure Box. Okay, Melody, do you want to open some Zoom Zooms?
Yeah.
Yeah, they're
All right.
cool.
Well, one for mommy there.
So these are the new Disney Tsum Tsum Squish-Dee-Lish. They look so cute. They're Series 1. Yay. And I think there might be several waves of this, because in this package there are Peas in a Pod, Chip, Dale, Ariel, who I really hope to find, Mike from Monsters Inc., Baymax, Eve, and Pluto. What is that movie again with Eve?
That's Wally.
Oh, yeah, Wally.
Eve is actually the one I'm hoping I can get.
Oh, cool.
How about you, Melody? What do you want to get? Baymax from Big Hero 6.
Oh, yeah, that's
Okay.
cool.
Because Hero 6 has superhero.
Yeah,
He's
superheroes.
Superhero powers,
Well,
yeah.
how about you get that one? We'll give one to Mama.
Okay.
And this time I get my very own one. Okay,
Yay. Ready,
ready?
set,
1, 2,
3.
3.
Ooh.
Oh, Melody. Maybe
Whoa.
I'll trade you.
Oh, wait a
'cause I
minute.
got your favorite. The Peas in a Pod.
Yay. That's awesome. Melody, you didn't open.
Berry.
It's hard. Ooh.
Okay, I hope someone gets Eve for me. Oh, Baymax.
got
Melody got her 2. Melody got the 2 she wanted. You got
Yeah.
Baymax and the Peas in a Pod.
Actually, I don't want these ones. They're not my favorite.
Yay, Daddy got Peas in a Pod, and they have 3 different faces on them. So cute. Awesome.
And look, they're so.
Oh, you can stack them just like regular Zoom Zooms.
Oh, that's true. Huh?
Sort of, yeah.
No, they
Can
do
you?
stack.
Awesome.
Yeah. There we go. And
Yay.
you can knock them over like regular Zoom Zooms too.
I got Mike Wazowski from Monsters Inc. He has his 1 eyeball and 2 horns. And he has a big smile on. Squish. Oh, I think Koa's awake. And Melody got Baymax. How cute is he? Oh, he has gray feet on the back. So cute. Ooh, and they're really soft.
And it looks like Cole woke up from his nap. There's no better way to wake up from a nap than to wake up to opening up Squishies.
Yay!
Right, Koa?
Whoa!
You like that? Grab that.
Ready? So here's the beautiful Ariel. Oh, she's so cute with her starfish and mermaid fin. She has lots of beautiful detail in her hair. Oh, she's really soft.
Can I start her?
Yeah, you can stack her. Daddy got Pluto.
And
So
Koa.
cute. Look at his puppy eyes, right? Daddy and
Yeah.
Koa got Pluto.
Oh, he's so cute. Even cuter than a cartoon.
Yeah. And this is Dale with a stripe down his back and his red nose.
And I think there's something on Koa.
Oh, what's on Koa?
It's Mike.
Oh no.
We just need Chip and Eve, which Dad is hoping to get. So
I'm still hoping to see.
let's see who we get. Let's see who we get. Oh no,
Koa,
oh
can you do
no,
it?
I'm worried.
Let's
Oh no, duplicate.
It's white. Is it Baymax or is it Eve? It's Eve! Yay! Go, we got it!
That's amazing, yay!
Will we can fly? Yeah.
And this is Eve. Look at how cute. Oh, cool. And she even has that green plant symbol on her from the movie. Look, did you see that?
Oh, yeah, so she's got the
Cool.
plant inside of her.
Oh, it's a plant inside of her. Okay.
Right.
Cool.
She's a probe. She's supposed to carry the plant back from the ship.
Oh, right. That's so cute. And she's really soft. Yay. And we got duplicates of Pluto and Mike. So hopefully the one we saved for Instagram will be Chip. But now I don't want to wait. Now I want to open it.
It's okay.
So who wants to open it and see if it's Chip?
I want.
Okay, Millie's gonna volunteer.
Let's see. Please be Chip.
I think it's Dale. We got two Dale.
Oh,
It's okay, Dale's cute. I mean,
Oh,
look at that
no.
adorable
We're
stripe
gonna
on
be-
his back.
He's really cute, but I think I'm gonna be sad if we never find Dale.
Hold on,
I mean, never find Chip.
hold on. Get me a Sharpie. I can fix this.
No. So we got all of these characters, except for Chip. We just need one more. Oh, where are you, Chip?
Hey, Melody, you want a squishy surprise?
Yeah.
Surprise! You got the joke, did you?
I like Koa's delayed reaction.
Oh no! What's
Whoa! It's breaking loose.
We also have Jumbo
Yay!
Squish-Dee-Lish.
We've been waiting to open these for a
I
while.
know, they smell.
Yes,
Sock.
we trapped the dirty sock. He can't get away.
We don't want him stinking up the whole place.
Oh, cool! You let him go.
Okay, so guys, we have a bunch of Jumbo Squish-Dee-Lish to open. It says more squish, more delish. Ooh, and there's a robot, unicorn, owl. Collect them all. A little squirrel, panda, and sloth. These are so cute. Slow Rise Squeeze Me. And we can't forget about the Jumbo Giant Squish-Dee-Lish ToysRUs exclusive. We're so sad that ToysRUs is closing down, so this will be something to remember it by.
Bit of nostalgia.
Okay, the ToysRUs exclusive. What does it smell like? Doesn't it smell good? Try smell it. You can smell it.
Ooh. Hey, like Loxo.
From Toy Story. Okay, I started it off for you. Ooh.
Okay.
I can't wait to squish it.
That is a huge squishy.
Oh my goodness.
Get that out of there, Melody. Whoa!
Whoa, that's
Can you squeeze it?
amazing.
Can you squeeze it with your arms?
That is
Takes her whole
crazy.
strength, huh?
Wow, can I see? Oh, Koa's excited too. Koa's looking at it. Whoa, guys, look. He looks kind of like a huge gummy bear. A huge strawberry gummy bear. And I love that he has like a red bottom. Let's squish him. Oh my gosh. I can barely squish him. Wow, so cool.
Can I?
Yeah, of course.
Of course, you opened it. You keep it.
Let's try to keep him nice though, okay? Because it's
Okay,
from
cool.
ToysRUs.
Okay, Koa's getting really anxious here.
Okay, let's open one for
Okay,
Koa.
Koa. I'll start it and you can open it, okay? Open it, Koa. What's in there? Which one did we get? It's too big to come out. Whoa!
Oh, it's purple. It's an owl. So
Woohoo!
cute.
Okay, Koa. What does it smell like?
Whoa.
It smells like berries.
He doesn't know what. Oh, thank you. He's giving it to me. Aww. Oh my
Melody,
gosh.
what are you doing? She's squishing it with your chin?
Smells delicious in here. Oh, look at this super sweet owl. She has a little pink bow, a yellow beak, all these feathers, yellow feet.
Ow.
And let's feel how soft she is. Wow. These are massive. They're really hard to squish. They're so big.
You have to give it a bear hug to give it a proper
Yeah.
squish.
Smells like watermelon or something. Fruity,
Yeah, I
right?
guess that's what it is. Yeah, like
Fruity tooty
like Hubba Bubba
watermelon.
chewing gum or something.
Oh,
Okay,
Whoa.
Melody, get another one open.
Oh, what did you get?
I
Blue.
opened it, so I got the secret too.
Whoa.
Whoa, it's so huge.
That is one fat chipmunk.
Giant. Yeah, it looks like a chipmunk or squirrel. Maybe that's a chipmunk.
Hi.
Oh, hello.
Whoa, you're working eating.
He's
You
fat.
need to go on a diet.
Oh my gosh, super chubby squirrel or chipmunk with full cheeks that are stuffed with nut pieces and big blue eyes. So cute. Oh my gosh. I love this one. He is so chubby. Oh my goodness. Whoa.
Here, let me show you how to properly squeeze that.
As I'm squeezing him, his cheeks get fuller.
Can I?
Okay.
I want to.
Okay, here's how you properly squeeze the Squishies.
I want to.
They're all about the same size. It's really cute.
Oh, are they friends?
How chubby and cute are they?
Will
Aww.
this belong to you, Mom?
Okay, next two Koa and Melody can open. Yay, together.
Okay, Koa. Oh, I think Koa likes this one. What did we get, Koa?
Whoa, that's
Wow,
so
what is that?
cool. It looks like a robot.
It's a robot!
I love
Yay. Whoa!
What did you get, Melody?
The sloth.
The sloth.
Yay! We got the sloth!
It's so pink and chubby too. Everything's chubby.
Beep beep boop boop beep beep.
Beep beep boop 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 boop.
I am a robot.
Cool. I like all the details on him.
Hey, don't trust me.
I love his face and all the nuts and bolts and his silver arms and a little heart.
Silver.
So cute.
I don't have silver. Okay, I don't have silver arm. A party.
And he's very square.
I like this too.
Who is your favorite? Let us know down in the
I
comments.
am not a swear. I didn't try him.
You are.
Yay, and we got this awesome sloth. It's pink. So cute. Look, it has little purple claws and blue pads on its feet. Oh my gosh. These are too cute. I really love these Jumbo Squish-Dee-Lish.
But these are huge. They
I
just
know.
feel weighty in your hand.
Yeah, they're amazing. They have weight to them.
Okay, what's the show?
Hi, Bear. Hi, Twelve.
Yeah, that reminds me of the scene in Zootopia,
Anyone
remember?
who's been to the DMV can relate.
Oh no. And we got two more packages that we're saving for future giveaways, either on our YouTube or Instagram. So make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel, Melody's Treasure Box, or following us on Instagram at Melody's Treasure Box too.
Okay.
How many Squishies did you get?
Yay, we got the lot.
Yeah, look at all these Squishies.
Choose favorites. Which ones were your favorite, guys?
Okay, I think my favorite for sure was Eve.
Oh, that's special. I think my favorite was this very chubby chipmunk, because look at its cheeks.
And my favorite is these huggies.
Oh,
And this huggy.
Oh, you
That's
like
squishy.
Baymax. I think Koa's favorite was this owl here. He kept loving on it quite a bit.
Owie.
Owie? Is that your favorite?
Yes, it's dope.
Let us know your favorites down in the comments below.
And my treasure box friends, please subscribe and give us a thumbs up.